Very clean home.
Yes, very, very well kept home. So here's the entrance to the master bedroom.
Yes. On the light.
Yeah. Okay, so you have dual sink, vanity, bathroom.
The lights are here.
There's a shower.
Yeah. Then they upgrade the ceiling light.
Okay.
That's the upgrade.
So here's the ceiling of the bathroom in the master suite. Closet. Good size closet. Yeah.
No light. Yeah.
No light.
Try. No light.
Okay. So here's the master bedroom.
Yeah.
I think they have the
No
lamp,
lights.
so you have the painted red. Fan looking out to the backyard. Here's the closet. Yeah, a closet. Looking out to the front, if you could see the
other room?
Yeah. Okay, to show back. Here's a closet going back to the corner. This one is a big window, but you cannot get out to the backyard from here. Okay, so the backyard. Again, from the bedroom to the bathroom, the master suite, you go to another bedroom.
Has a farm courtyard too.
Here's another bedroom.
This is a closet.
Okay, so here's the fans, the banana trees facing the front of the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a decent courtyard.
Yeah.
This bedroom
Just
can go out.
This room.
Yeah, this bedroom can go out. So you have a little patio.
The other room,
This
no.
is a closet.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they pretty much finished all of the remodeling, only the ceiling. Balcony ceiling didn't do. Then there's one.
So here's the bathroom.
Too. Cabinet.
Bathroom, the cabinet.
Yeah.
Here's a nice one. There's a little
Storage room.
Yeah. Little storage for towels. So this is from the hall.